Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, and today I'm going to be attempting to make homemade oat milk. I have been using dairy-free alternative milks for several years now, and there's never really been one that I've absolutely loved that had super clean ingredients. And I'm just getting to a point where I'm using way too much oat milk. So this is the one that I'm currently loving, but I go through 2 of these a week. They're fairly expensive and they're not that clean. There's still oils and gums and additives. So I'm gonna try to make a cleaner homemade oat milk. It's a lot more inexpensive to make it homemade, and doesn't have any of the junk that this guy does. So let's get into it. For ingredients, there's not much that you need. You just need oats. I'm using these from Trader Joe's. I like these because I know that they're 100% gluten-free. Not all oats are, so if you are gluten-free, check your oats. But that's why I like to use these. We'll add a couple dates in for sweetness, and then a little bit of cinnamon, and then water. And that's all you need ingredients-wise. I will tag the Instagram reel where I found this recipe below. So if you want to check that out, it'll be linked below. And then in terms of supplies, I'm using this NutriBullet. This is the only blender I have, so we're gonna make do. The video that I'm referencing does use a larger blender, but I think this will work just fine. And then I got these cheesecloths from Amazon, so I can link these. And I just boiled these to clean them before using, because I'm using this for the very first time. And then a bowl to strain everything into. And then I'm pretty sure I thrifted this container, but this will be perfect to pour the oat milk into and keep it stored in the fridge. But very limited ingredients and supplies for this DIY. I got these cheesecloths from Amazon, and this is my first time ever using them. It does say to boil them for at least 15 minutes. So we're gonna do that before we use these. I've got some water, I just turned this on, so. Okay, so the recipe calls for 1 cup of oats and 6 cups of water, but I'm gonna break this up into thirds and do 1/3 a cup of oats and 2 cups of water at a time, just since my blender is smaller. So we're gonna try that. Okay, it did like separate a ton, so I definitely have to shake it. I'll let you try first.
Smells like cinnamon.
There's cinnamon. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good for an oat milk. You don't drink oat milk though.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
And it's a bit chalky.
Yeah, you definitely have to shake it, but I mean, you have to shake normal oat milk too. But I'm gonna try it tomorrow in my coffee, and I'm gonna make my overnight oats with it. So we'll do another taste test in the morning. Okay, time to taste test with my full breakfast. Last night I taste tested the oat milk just by itself. It was pretty good, but I think this is the true test of the final product because this is how I would be using it like every single day. This is why I'm telling you, like, I use so much oat milk. So my breakfast now consists of overnight oats. So it's oats, chia seeds, oat milk, cinnamon, and maple syrup. I don't measure it, I don't know. But so there's oat milk in that. And then I put oat milk in my coffee every morning as well. So I will say there is like a lot of separation. So, I mean, it does definitely need to be shaken up, and I probably would never make too much of this at once. Like make a huge batch of it, because I feel like it would just not go bad, but just not last very long. I don't know. But anyway, let's try everything. Let's start with the overnight oats. And I will say too, normally I really do let these sit overnight, and I did not do that this morning. I made this at probably 6 a.m. and it's like 9:30 right now. So these sat for a couple hours. Okay. These are pretty good. No complaints there at all. Okay. And then my latte. It's definitely like a darker color than with the Chobani, probably because, you know, that looks a lot thicker. this might not hold up as well in the latte. But overall, I mean, pretty good. And this is a full latte, so there's a lot of oat milk in this versus like some people just use like a little bit in like a cold brew or something. So I don't know. I can't decide my true feelings on it, or if this is something I would continue to make or not. It's definitely a lot more inexpensive, but anyway, well, happy Tuesday.